Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to lock slicer in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a pivot chart with the pivot table. Okay, so here I'm going to insert the slicer. So simply click on the pivot chart, go to the pivot chart analysis and in filter group click on the insert slicer. And here I select the product, so I want product wise slicer. Just click on OK and here you can see your slicer is inserted. You can anywhere move the slicer and you can, when you click on the any product, is filter also applied in both pivot chart and in pivot data also. Okay, to clear the filter just click on the clear filter. If you want to lock this slicer, just click on the slicer, make sure the slicer is selected. After that, go to the review tab. In protect group, click on the protect sheet option and enter the password those you want to set. Same, re-enter the same password and click on OK. Now you can see your slicer is not move anywhere, also not filter any product also. Okay, so this is a way you can lock your slicer in Excel sheet. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.